My name is Brice Collier. I'm a professor here at the University of Tulsa. I have a lot of industry experience where I spent 19 years with BP Amoco. Spent a few years with a couple of firms that were much smaller, like Integrated Medical Delivery and the NBA Hornets, which was probably the funnest job I've had. And then after that, I started teaching, and the job at the University of Tulsa came open for something we call the Multidisciplinary Business Application course. We try to provide a platform for the students to get a real-world experience by providing a consulting opportunity with a real client. And one of the things that I'm most proud of is not only do the students get a lot of enrichment out of it, the clients honestly get a lot of value out of it as well. Many of our clients are mid-sized firms, and these students provide an amazing delivery of product to the client, and I've heard just tons of feedback. And so the students, what do they get out of it? Well, one, they have an opportunity to solve a problem for a real business. Finally, the students have to give a presentation to generally a CEO or vice president. And how many times in your first year of a real world work experience are you going to be sitting in front of a CEO or a vice president? And so the students get that in their last semester here at the University of Tulsa.